Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Johnny, this is Simple Drinks, and today I'm going to show you how to make one more super tasty cocktail. Today we are going to make a rum sidecar, so stick around and watch the video till the end, you might learn something useful. Rum sidecar is a cocktail from the Sidecar Repertoire, one of many variations. It's really tasty, really easy to make, 3 ingredients only, so without further ado, let's crack straight into it. To make a rum sidecar, we need light rum, Cointreau and lemon juice. We are going to start with white rum, 45 ml, ounce and a half. Add that into our shaker, followed by Cointreau. Oh, beautiful. 22.5 ml, 3/4 of an ounce. And freshly squeezed lemon juice, 22.5 ml, 3/4 of an ounce, and that's about it. Let's leave this here. Add ice to the shaker and shake the cocktail for about 10 to 12 seconds. Got a little stuck over there. Yeah. And now we're going to strain the cocktail into our pre-chilled glass. So discard the ice, of course. We're going to double strain it because we don't want small pieces of ice and lemon inside our drink. Oh, beautiful. And garnish with a small lemon twist. Just drop it in. And that's it. Ladies and gentlemen, rum sidecar. Cheers. Cool, really nice, real citrusy flavor. Bit sweet and sour, but tasty. Oh, it's really nice. You can feel the rum, the Cointreau, the lemon, all blended together in a beautiful mix. This is a really tasty cocktail. Well, ladies and gents, that was rum sidecar. Really tasty cocktail, 3 ingredients only, real easy to make. Try it, let me know in the comments below what you think. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button, subscribe, share, and thank you for all the support. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.